With so many Cosori air fryers on the market, narrowing down the top picks can be a challenge. Luckily, I've done the research for you by using my culinary experience to select the best Cosori air fryers that you can buy. Just make sure to click the links in the description box to see the current prices for each of the products. Checking in at number 5 on my Cosori air fryer reviews is the Cosori Pro Lee air fryer, which brings serious heat to your kitchen. With a maximum temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit, you can cook meals up to 50% faster than in a traditional oven. This means less time waiting and more time enjoying delicious, crispy food. You'll appreciate the versatility this air fryer offers. It comes with 9 cooking functions, including specialized programs for steak, chicken, and seafood. Whether you're following a low-carb diet or just want to explore new recipes, this appliance has you covered. Noise won't be an issue with this model. The patented air whisper technology keeps sound levels under 55 decibels. You can have a conversation at the dinner table without shouting over your appliance. The 5-quart capacity is perfect for smaller households or couples. You can easily cook 2-3 servings at once in the spacious square basket. If you're cooking for a larger group, you might need to prepare food in batches. Cleaning up is a breeze with this air fryer. The non-stick cooking basket and detachable components are dishwasher safe. You'll spend less time scrubbing and more time savoring your meals. Up next in my Cosori air fryer review roundup, we have the popular Cosori Turbo Blaze air fryer, which brings cutting-edge technology to your kitchen with its advanced Turbo Blaze system. This innovative feature significantly reduces cooking time, allowing you to whip up delicious meals in minutes. Whether you're preparing a quick weeknight dinner or hosting a gathering, you'll appreciate the efficiency this air fryer offers. You'll be impressed by the 9-in-1 functionality of this appliance. From air frying and roasting to baking and dehydrating, it's like having multiple kitchen gadgets in one compact unit. This versatility opens up a world of culinary possibilities, enabling you to experiment with various cooking methods and recipes. The 6-quart capacity strikes a perfect balance between size and functionality. It's spacious enough to cook meals for your entire family, yet compact enough to fit comfortably on your countertop. You won't have to worry about cluttering your kitchen while still enjoying the benefits of a full-sized air fryer. Health-conscious cooks will appreciate the air fryer's ability to create crispy, delicious foods with up to 95% less oil than traditional frying methods. This feature allows you to indulge in your favorite fried foods guilt-free without compromising on taste or texture. The Cosori Turbo Blaze air fryer comes with a customizable preheat program, giving you full control over your cooking process. You can choose to preheat for optimal results or skip it for quicker preparation. This flexibility ensures that you can tailor the cooking process to your specific needs and time constraints. Okay, so if you want to buy the best Cosori air fryer, then you'll love the Cosori Dual Blaze air fryer, which brings some serious innovation to your kitchen. Its standout dual blaze technology uses 2 heating elements to cook food from all angles, giving you that perfect crispy exterior without the need to shake or flip. This hands-off approach means you can set it and forget it while you tackle other tasks. With a generous 6.8-quart capacity, you can easily whip up meals for the whole family. The square basket design maximizes cooking space, allowing you to fit a whole chicken or enough fries to feed a crowd. Cleanup is a breeze too. The crisper plate pops right out for easy washing by hand or in the dishwasher. Smart features take this air fryer to the next level. You can control it remotely using the VSync app or even with voice commands through Alexa. This means you can start cooking dinner from your phone while you're still at work. The app also gives you access to over 100 recipes with step-by-step instructions, so you'll never run out of meal ideas. Speed is another major plus. By eliminating the need for preheating and shaking, Cosori claims this air fryer can cook meals up to 40% faster than traditional methods. Imagine coming home to perfectly crispy chicken wings in just minutes without having to babysit the cooking process. The 12 one-touch cooking functions make it simple to air fry, roast, bake, and more at the touch of a button. You can adjust the temperature from 175 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and set the timer for up to 60 minutes, giving you plenty of flexibility for different recipes. The automatic shutoff feature adds peace of mind, ensuring your food won't overcook if you get distracted. Now for the runner-up on my Cosori air fryer reviews list. The Cosori Pro 2 air fryer brings convenience and health-conscious cooking to your kitchen. With its 12 cooking functions, you can easily prepare a wide variety of dishes. The customizable presets allow you to save your preferred settings, making it a breeze to cook your favorite meals just the way you like them. You'll appreciate the Adaptive technology, which ensures rapid 360 degrees air circulation. This feature helps create crispy textures and even results, so you can enjoy delicious meals without the guilt of excess oil. The 5.8 quart capacity is perfect for families, accommodating enough food to serve 3-5 people. Cleaning up after cooking is a snap with this air fryer. The removable basket and nonstick surfaces are dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. You'll also find the tilted touchscreen easy to use, with clear controls for temperature and time adjustments. The included Cosori cookbook provides inspiration with 100 chef-created recipes. You'll never run out of ideas for tasty air-fried meals. The air fryer also features a personalized shake reminder, which you can add or remove to suit your cooking style. Safety features like auto shutoff give you peace of mind while cooking. The air fryer's temperature range of 170 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit allows for versatile cooking options, from gentle reheating to crispy frying. With its sleek black design, this Cosori air fryer will look great in your kitchen while helping you prepare healthier meals with ease. So, what is the best Cosori air fryer that you can buy? Based on the countless Cosori air fryer toaster oven reviews, I'd have to say that the Cosori Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven is the best Cosori air fryer that you can buy today. You'll love the convenience of the Cosori Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven's 13 cooking functions. From air frying to baking, toasting, and even air sous vide, this appliance covers all your cooking needs. The rotisserie function is perfect for preparing juicy, evenly cooked whole chickens. The smart controls take your cooking experience to the next level. You can control the oven through the VSync app on your smartphone, allowing you to adjust settings and monitor cooking progress from anywhere in your home. For hands-free operation, you can connect it to Alexa or Google Assistant and use voice commands. With its spacious 32-quart capacity, you can cook large meals for the whole family. It fits a 13-inch pizza, 9 slices of bread, or an entire rotisserie chicken. This makes it ideal for entertaining or preparing meals for larger households. The powerful 1,800-watt heating elements and dual-speed fan ensure quick and even cooking. You'll be able to prepare meals up to 30% faster than with a traditional convection oven. The temperature range of 80 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit gives you precise control for various cooking techniques. Included accessories like the fry basket, food tray, wire rack, and rotisserie handle make it easy to start using all the functions right away. The recipe book provides inspiration for new dishes to try. While there's a learning curve to master all 13 functions, you'll find the versatility well worth the effort. And there you have it, my full Cosori air fryer reviews roundup. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like and subscribe. Again, the links to each product mentioned are in the description.